Pardon my hairdo. I'm doing an unboxing of what you ask, the Morphe Ariel Signature Look 12-piece face and eye brush set. I almost opened it, but I decided to do the unboxing. So as you can see, oh, there it is. I am now opening it with you guys. Got some bubble wrap going on there. I'm gonna pull this out. Comment below if you want to pop this bubble wrap. I'm gonna take it out of this plastic wrap. So this is what it looks like from the front, from the side. And then the back. Also in here, I ordered it off of Morphe, the Morphe site, and they included this Morphe Make It Big Plumping Lip Gloss Trio. So that was nice of them. Let's dig in. I know a lot of you guys hear me complain about having crappy brushes, and that's because I bought them a long time ago. And a lot of them are MAC brushes, and then I also have a lot of e.l.f. brushes. And a lot of it just is frayed, you know? Over time you use them and you wash them and clean them. That's what the box looks like. Has some embossing in there, and it's a magnetic opening here. It's beautiful. I don't know if I would say this is the most expensive set, just because when I bought my MAC brushes individually, I'm pretty sure I spent over $100. So, and this is what the top says. I don't know if you guys could read all that. I will read it out to you guys. For me, doing makeup has always felt like sculpting. With the right tools, your vision can come to life. But while developing these brushes, I realized how much makeup has actually molded and shaped me. Each brush is essential to my kit, which is why I named them after people, events, and memories that were essential in sculpting who I am today. I hope these brushes have as much of an impact on your life and artistry as they do on mine. Love, Ariel, with a heart. And it says, developed, tested, and perfected by Ariel, established 2020. Did something fall? Oh, I didn't realize that fell out. So, I'm gonna try to quickly go through these. Okay, so the first brush is A21, which is a setting and bronzing brush. It's natural. And this is the A24 brush. It is a synthetic. It's his foundation brush. It's beautiful. This is his A58 cream contour brush. It is a natural. This is the A3.2 powder contour brush. It's a natural. This is the A22 blush brush. It is also a natural. We love naturals. Ooh, this one. I like this one. And this is the A14 Precision Setting Brush, also a natural. This is his A11 Fluffy Blending Brush, also a natural. This is his A20. It's a crease blending brush, natural. This is the A29 Packer Brush, natural. And this is the A18 Smudging Brush, natural. And this is the A19 dual-ended concealer brush, which is a synthetic. Yeah, this side, a bit more rounded, and this side, more edged and squared off. And last but not least, well, it is the least, just a beauty blender, which I have a few already. I'm just gonna test out the A20 brush, which is a crease blending brush. I do like it. And I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked seeing all these brushes and all the future possibilities for me, for you all. Thank you for watching, and if you don't mind, comment below. Let me know if you liked this video, and also subscribe using your pinky, your pointer, or your thumb and show me some love. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, yeah. See you in the next video. I'm already getting my new brushes dirty.